Welcome back, everybody. Sign here again with another episode of Mechanical Mastery. And I think I might actually have to start using my refined storage for a little bit of crafting. Thing is, we have the Essence of Darkness now, right? So it makes 3 different things. This one I don't really care about so much. This is for like ore production and whatnot. I don't need it, per se. Black iron, though, and wither skeleton skulls I will need, but I'm not going to need absurd amounts of it. So I guess let's go ahead and get a crafter going. An actual refined storage. Oh, we have the iron crafters. Okay. Don't we have reborn too? Yeah. That is overkill. That is seriously overkill. We're going to need probably a crafter manager as well. Let's go ahead and get ourselves crafter on the list and the crafting monitor, right? So going to need a few of these. Manager, I need 3 crafters then. Oh, dang it. I hate that. Seven. Oh, we're out of silicon and binding. Oh. Yeah, silicon's not something I've ever really automated yet because we're not getting tons of it. At least not compared to other resources. Silicon's over here, or quartz is anyway. One thing I did do though is I went ahead and hooked up our fluid encapsulator, and we're currently transforming the inert advanced essences into the advanced. But it is extremely slow. And the time that we've made 800 of the inert ones, we've done 51 of the regulars. So gonna have to do something about this whole setup here. Gonna have to ramp things up a bit. Bump this up to 0.7, and we're generating 20,000 RF right now, so not bad. I can go a little higher, but I would need to redo this system here as well. And we're at 63 buckets of waste right now. Yeah, we've gotten a lot of basic things done. I need to really ramp up production on a few things now. Oh, hey, cool, silicon. Oh, you need help. Okay. So, dang it, here, let's put you away. And need 2 more of those, and I need 1 of these. There we go. No. Okay, good, it imported. Wrong thing, but wrong spot, but it worked out in the end. So, and how are our cakes doing? Oh yeah, we're good. We're definitely producing cakes faster than we're using them over here with this setup. This setup here is probably fine, actually. Our main holdup right now, though, is the fission fuel pellets, right? These guys. And okay, yeah, you're doing good. You're not so good. I think this is actually robbing everything before it can go into here is what's going on. But we're still like 800 up on the inerts, so. And I don't actually have a need for those right now. I have, however, burned through 100 million EMC off camera, just letting things process and whatnot. So, let's see. You go here. Let's go ahead and get these made up. And you can have that. Wow. Really typoed that one. I don't know why I type it right here. So I need construction and destruction cores, and going to need improved processors as well. Okay. So let's go ahead and get some of these made up here. Stack will work. And then for these, we need the basic processors, which is the iron. There we go. My inventory is just full of stuff. And then I have these two for automating this stuff here. But I decided I could go with just like having, two setups like this and having one for black iron and one for wither skeleton skulls. I'm gonna need to automate skeleton skulls too somehow. Just thought about that. If we go here. Okay, this is easily automatable though. Body stone and bone blocks. That's not a problem. We can do that. And I probably could actually automate this with pretty pipes. I just think it would be easier to do it with refined storage, so that's what we're going to go for right now. Let's get like 8 of each of these for now. And crafters, we're going to need 3. Crafting monitor, we're going to need a couple of patterns. And then crafter manager, we're going to need another advanced processor. Okay, well. Let's get like a quarter of a stack going. But one thing, I was looking through, future recipes, and one thing we're going to need here soon is, we need precision mechanisms. We also need refined radiance and nitro crystals, on top of the 4 essences we've already automated. Now, nitro crystals are annoying because every 16 of them requires another star. Plus, we're going to need blazing crystals, which, going to make those. We need blaze rods or blaze powder, which we're good on, right? Those are fine. Redstone's easy. Nether star, yeah, there's only one way to get it in this pack, and that is killing withers. Unless there's some sort of weird mystical recipe for this. Nope. And then refined radiance has its own custom recipe. Chromatic return, okay. And that is chromatic compound plus refined mixture in a superheated mixer. And this stuff is water, gold, Mobius, glowstone, and HDPE. Sheets, not pellets. That is a quarter bucket per. This is also superheated. Chromatic compounds, also superheated. Rose quartz, glowing ingot, andesite, and powdered obsidian. So, not bad until you get to this, right? And this is just lava plus brass, so not terrible. But now that we've got power, I can start setting up larger automations and whatnot. So let's go ahead and get monitor and manager. Really only needed the monitor, but oh well. And we've got refined storage cabling here. There's power right here. Power's not an issue. I can just make a flex point, so I can put this anywhere. I just want to have it close to a refined storage cable. Do it over here, right? This is a pretty open spot. There's nothing going on. So, did not mean you to go there. I wanted you... Whoa, okay, don't go in the void. There. You can go here. Crafter can go here. Hey, look at that. And you are going to need a pipe here. Okay, there we go. Okay, can I? There we go. Let's go ahead and put you here as well and disconnect that. You are going to get a retrieval for Essence of Darkness. There we go. Some reason I was thinking of the mechanical essence. I'm like, wait a second. Why don't I have one on me? All right, you are input. Okay, cool. And now, are you going to work for me? We're looking at this block right here. It is hooked up, right? Yes. So we should have seen some of this stuff coming in here already. Right, we do have it in the tablet, right? Yes. Okay. All right, we're going to turn top to output. Auto eject is on. You are extra on the bottom. Input. Okay. And then we just have an output here. Let's go ahead and make your top side output. It still has not got any. So that may not work like I wanted to. How about a link then instead? Could have sworn it was working with refined pipe or the pretty pipes earlier on. But and we are at input on the left, so yeah. Do I have any more points up here? Yep. And cable. There we go. All right, Link, you are going to be retrieving into that, right? Shouldn't really matter, actually. But it is. Oh, that's why. That's okay. Has to go into a metallurgic user first with enriched obsidian. Oh, I hate how these things don't have a tool. There we go. All right, so you. Right, so you are only made this way. So I just need to double stack metallurgic infusers instead. Okay. I just assumed it was, yeah, that's my bad. Basically, I just assumed it was like everything else. So. Right then. Well, you come here then. You can stay put for now, actually. You can go here. And let's put our link here. Put you here. Not that. This. There we go. You. Input. You can be output there. There we go. Now that's going in where it belongs. And so let's go ahead and do you here. And I should make it, I can go ahead and just sandwich it in here. Input, output. You can do like that. You can have this with that. Okay, now you're making the refined obsidian. And you need to be yellow. There we go. Now you're working. And here soon we should see this stuff end up in here. Yep, there it goes. Oh, we get 200 units per enriched. Okay. That's worth, a couple extra machines. And we're actually going to have energy problems here because this thing kind of sucks. At times we are outputting the full 100,000. It's just like, I have no idea where the power is actually going, but it's going. You know what? I'll just put that away in there. Same with that link. Don't need that. All right. And I need a crafting grid too, or the pattern terminal thing. Pattern grid. This thing. And we need one of you. Turn you into that. There we go. Here, you can just go away. I don't need to worry about you. You can have this. Okay, we're going to go processing. Wow, really? It actually knows how to... Okay, cool. How to not put this stuff in there. That's fine by me. And yeah, black iron. That should be all we really need there. You can go here. Okay, let's go ahead and get ourselves an importer now. There we go. And now let's say if I want wither skeleton skulls. We're missing 3 regular skulls. Okay. Do we really not have any skeleton skulls out of everything going on over there? Yeah, I guess not. All right, and then I just need a basic crafter, which I can just sandwich in anywhere. Yeah, here's as good a spot as any, right? So we're gonna go here. Okay, that's right. 2A. Thank you. Sort by ID. We're gonna go here. Make a recipe for that. Wrong button. Make a recipe for this. A recipe for that. Oh, really sugar. All right. Just think about how I'm going to do the sugar thing, because I can just make a ton of sugar, I guess. Because we're doing it rather slow right now because I'm using Create to do it. The system over here. What I could do is take care of that. Let's go ahead and get ourselves a link again. Not you. You. There we go. Let's go ahead and get a Mark II. And So what I can do instead is put, yeah, let's put it right here, actually. Give that a whack. You are, oh, you're the acacia. Okay, yeah. How's this doing over here anyway? I haven't checked this in forever. Well, you're still good, but okay, yeah, we're doing good on plastic. Uh, that's why I'm not worried about it being fast, is I use so little of it in this pack that it's kind of whatever, really. So this will keep going till this hits. I think at this point it's going to keep running until we run out of eggs. Because didn't I put... Yeah, I did. Stack limiter of 4? Okay. Which, we're making extra now, so good. That's all I need to worry about. I just replaced the cloche with a link, and it's fine. Speaking of which, let's go ahead and get that put away. And you, no, of course. Mobius we should be able to deal with without a problem. Lapis is fine. Do I have a home for Mobius yet? I do not. Hmm. Really? Missing chests? Okay. Fine, I guess, no, it's oak trapped. I need regular oak. There we go. All right, there's you. And so, well, I need a couple other things too. I need a drawer. One by one. You still have, I think, the illumination upgrade, right? Drawer. Can I get a downgrade? And, right, how am I going to do this without being a complete mess? You can go here. Oh, okay. That's what you had inside of you. Okay. So let me get this. Let's go ahead and grab a stack of Mobius. We are going to stack downgrade you, so you only keep a stack. Throw a pipe down here. Probably get a retrieval. Let's get a medium, I think. Of course. And now I'm at a pistons, okay. You know, at times it would be a lot quicker just to have taught my system how to do everything. Priority 40. But same time, it actually takes a good amount of time to set up a ton of recipes and to program everything up and whatnot. All right, cool. So this should pull Mobius from that magic box over there whenever we need it. Keeping a stack in here so that way the system can see that, hey, we have Mobius. Without having to generate just insane amounts of Mobius. So that'll work for me. You can go away into there. And now, how are we doing on... Okay, we have bone blocks. How are we doing on bone meal? Yeah, we're doing actually really good. 700 of it. All right. Boom. And it actually crafted really quick, too. That's cool. Now, how much is it using? Is it 40 per? Yeah, it is. Okay. So we get 5 wither skeleton skulls from one of those. There we go. And 3 wither skeleton skulls. Sweet. Hey, spooky, scary skeleton. Sweet. Also, in here, we just got a task complete for this. Oh, we need soul sand. Okay. Did I leave any in here? I left 1 piece. There we go. Quest complete. Summoning the Wither gives me some free stuff that I don't really care about. And that unlocks nether stars. All right, cool. Also automating withers, which, yes, we will be doing that. So it's about, let me think here. Yeah, it's about the only real way to automate a wither in this pack is industrial programming. So wither builder, you do require the supreme, which is ether gas, you bastard. All right. Stasis chamber we go. You are going to need pink slime. Okay, we do have a little bit of that left. So I need a stasis chamber. We are going to need the wither builder eventually. I hate how the wither builder requires ether gas. Just like, I don't want to build all this stuff just for this one stupid machine. Right, then we need a fluid laser base, and then let's just look up laser. We're going to need laser drills, or at least a laser drill to go with the fluid laser base, so that way we can get ether gas from a captive wither inside of a stasis chamber. Oy. And then we need a crusher. So, mob crusher. Another one of those. I mean, I've got 2 over there, but... All right, cool. And that's all just to make this. This is different, and... yeah. And then we're going to need 12 of these per final star, on top of dark matter and the ultimate singularities and eternalist fuel, which eternalist fuel, the item has EMC. The fuel block does not. Did I ever make eternalist? I did. So yeah, we're good there. And we got dark matter, so. All right. Wow, we're actually low on emeralds compared to diamonds. Did I not set up a way to take care of emeralds? I might not have. Oh, that's on me. So how's this doing now? 2,300 buckets of fissile fuel in there, huh? It's not bad. But, is this still at like what is it? Oh, no, now we're up to 70. So it is very slowly making these things still. Okay, cool. It's just taking quite a bit longer to make the actual, like, piss-off fuel pellet thing. We're up to 800 of these now. Okay. Wow. What is... You're slow down, then. You're churning along like you should be. Oh, yeah. That's right, because this is making inert here. This is turning them into activated. Gotcha. That's why. All right.